Hello, everyone. Okay, still just me. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, Janice, you're back. All right. I thought, okay. How about Otto? He's not there, right? Still not around. Okay. Okay. No problem. We can start. Let me drop a message saying Janice is back. All right. So how are you doing, Janice?
Good. I want to use this one. You're on the
Yeah. Did you do the homework? Did I give you any homework?
Smooth and really thick.
Okay. Okay. I'll let you log in to the REPL. Okay, and I'll share my screen and we'll do a quick revision, recap on what we've done last week.
I've already logged in.
You already logged in, cool.
Yeah.
Fast. Let me share the
That's
screen.
because every time I go into an account, I don't need to log in.
Oh, it's automatic. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm in as well. Let's see if you remember where we stopped last time. Which REPL? We got the teams, right? And
Beyond Code Academy.
Beyond Code Academy. And oh, today we got some interesting stuff. We got a Kahoot session. Web 101. Okay. We did 2.2. Is it?
I think so.
No, we did more than that. We did, let's see, we did 3 revision as
I think
well.
we did 3.1.
3.1, let's check out. All right, so this is what we've done exactly. So you got a good memory. All right, so we have done some complicated stuff, isn't it? Did you understand it? A little bit, right? Yeah, don't worry, because there is so many stuff here that you will understand as we move on. Okay, so we did the basics. What we learned is we use a web server here, right? Okay, let's break it down. What is the name of the web server we are using? Can you guess by looking at the code? Yes, you know what is a web server, right? What is a web server? Okay, web server. You play Roblox, right? So when you play Roblox, you log in, right? Using your username and password.
Yes.
To a web server. Okay. So every website is, we call it as hosted, or you can call it as stored. So every website is stored in a place called a web server. So it can be a computer. Yeah.
Teacher, I'm eating again.
You're eating again. Oh, so you're doing the front end. Yeah. Okay. So mom did the back end stuff, right? You're in the front end, but we need to go back to the back end. Okay. Now I'm in the. Okay. Just a question. This code that you see in your screen, is it back end or front end?
Back end?
It is. Very good. Why do you call it as back end?
Because like it's where you do all the coding, but for the front end, it's where all of this coding shows.
Oh, all right, cool, good job. So now you are in the we are in the back end of the program. So we need to store all our files in a web server or a special computer, and then only you can access it from anywhere in the world, like we did in this program. Let's run. I'm going to hit the run button and see what happens. So now you see some stuff happening on the right hand side. Here we go. Our website is back. We did 2 pages. One is the last samurai page. The other one is page 2. And we have done 3 pages. Is it? How many pages we have done here?
I thought we only did 2.
Yeah, I did an extra one, I think. Did I?
No.
No, this one is a 3rd one. Okay, we got 1 here. That's going to display page 1. And this one here is going to be page 2. And this one here is going to be page 3, but it says last samurai because the task 3 asked us to do that, right? Did you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. The question was, what's the web server that we use here? So we use a web server associated with Python called Flask. You can see that here, right? It's Flask. Yeah, so that's the web service we use. Do you know what's a Flask is? Have you used a Flask?
No.
Flask is something that you use to hold the water inside, or milk, or any liquid. If it is
In
cold,
my science class, we got to go into the science lab, and there's like a
you see the
cabinet of
flask. Yeah, those flasks are a bit different, right? What do you use those flasks for? We use them to store liquids, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so flask can hold something. This flask is used to hold websites. Okay, keep that in mind. Same. We got a lot of kitchen stuffs and lab stuffs involved here in programming. So it's called Flask. It can hold our web pages on a website. So we have how many pages? 3 in my case. You have 2, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm going to do, I'm going to test to see if it's going to work again. Remember, we copied this URL, right? We can copy it from here, or you can open it using this. And let's navigate between these pages. So now you can see I'm on page 1, right? How do I go to page 2? Forgot. Yes?
You type in /home.
Yeah, page 2, we can see /home, right? So I need to change my path of the URL. This is the URL. Let's go to the end and put a slash. Oh, slash, and what was it? Home. You can use the same name. Yeah, okay, here we go. Page 2. What's the last one? The last one is my favorite movie. I'm going to copy that and see if that works too. Let's do the same, because sometimes it may not work. So I'm going to paste and enter. Great. It says last samurai. Okay, cool. So that's what we learned in the last class, right? So we have web server, we have backend main.py, this file, which is doing some stuff. Some functions are being executed here. You'll understand what this def word means, and the return is to output a function.
Teacher Otto is here.
Otto is here. Where's Otto? What happened, Otto?
Oh,
Hello, Otto. We did a quick recap. You had lunch, right?
yes.
Or did you fall asleep?
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, okay. Let me just inform them that everyone is here. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we're back again on the REPL. Have you logged into the REPL, Otto?
Yes.
This one is
Log in.
exercise 3.1. Yeah,
Teacher, why are you using an iPad instead of a computer?
How do you know I'm using the iPad?
Because that's how an iPad looks.
Oh, it is. Yes, my computer got some problems with the power cable. Till I fix that, I'm going to using the iPad. Yeah, it's good. You can see. Oh, nice. Oops. Delete. Okay. All right. So that's how it works. Okay. Where web pages are stored in the web server, and then you can change the URL, locations, and access different web pages in a website. Cool. We got a Kahoot quiz today. We'll do that later. And have you played Kahoot? No.
I played Kahoot in my class before, though.
Math, right? For math, is it? Or for other subjects as well?
Math
English?
and all the other subjects.
Oh, nice. Okay. All right. So let's do the Kahoot thingy then. Yeah, that's part of our plan today. Okay. So we go to the task. All right. So are you guys ready?
Mhm.
Okay. So how do you access the Kahoot? I've already opened it. Let's see if I can ask you guys to join. I will. Okay, let's see if I can sign up.
Teacher.
Yes, so
Ooh,
school,
yes.
let's see. I'm gonna use my Gmail. You can use any account. Continue. Why is it? Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
There's one bean sprout in my bowl of noodles. Just one.
Just one. What happened?
I don't know.
Maybe someone ate it. The others. Someone else stole it. It says free. Why is that? Yeah, continue for free. Have you logged into Kahoot? Have you guys? Okay, I'll give you this link. Then you'll be prompted to log in. Okay, so where is the quiz? Now, let's see if I can go back to the quiz. Oh, it still says, let's see what's happening. Oh, all right, here we go. I'm in. And this is the quiz. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to show you a code. Okay, first and foremost, you need to go to kahoot.com, right? I'll give you the link. Yeah, okay, I'll send you the link on the chat. Where is my chat? Here we go. Okay, that's the website, right? So you need to log. Yeah, that's the link. Everyone's got it, right? Okay. Otto, have you got the link to the kahoot.com?
Yes,
So once you go here, you can hit the play and see if you can join without, let's see. Yeah, so you hit the play button and there is a game pin and enter. I'll show you the pin.
Okay.
So all you have to do is to hit the play button, which is, yeah.
Okay,
Are
I
you
got
guys, you got it? So hit the play button. What about you, Otto? Are you in this page?
yes, I'm in.
Cool. So now I'll share the code for you to try this game. There'll be a timer. Let's see if they have assigned a timer. Got it. Classic or team? Let's go for the team. Okay. Will that work? Yeah, here we go. That's the game pin. Oh, we already got some people. You have to choose one of them, I think. Let's see. You can punch in this pin number, or you can copy the QR code on the app if you have installed it. I'm waiting for you guys. Let's see who's in. Okay, Otto is fire, and this is ocean.
Yeah, ocean.
So Team Sunshine. Okay, we're gonna start, right? I will not give you the answers. Let's see how many marks you can get. What do you think?
Got it.
I got time. Now there is a timer. 15 seconds gone. Oh. Oh. Next one. I got that wrong intentionally. Okay. HTML is used for back end. No, it's front end. Yes. Next. Who's leading? No one's got scores? Seriously? I don't see any. Okay. What happened to you, Janice? Did you try that? You had to try it before me because I'm waiting for the timer.
I just
to the
picked
next.
something random.
Oh. So you need to select, let's see. This
What's
one.
the
CSS.
answer?
First one was
What's
false.
the answer?
This one, you need to think. CSS is used in the front end or back end? We learned this. In the front, right? So it is correct, I think. Did I get it on time? Yeah, I think I got it. Yes. Oh,
Yay.
well, our team's got points. Oh, did you create a team of your own? Okay. Otto, are you in? Are you trying the quiz? Okay, let's see what this one is. Python is the only coding language that can be used for backend. What do you think? We learned about JavaScript. We can use JavaScript for the backend as well. And we learned, yeah, so it's false. Yeah. Next.
Yay.
Team fire. We're not firing Mr. Otto. Okay. Let's fire it up. Which one below is a static website. We learned about static
What does
and
static
dynamic.
mean again?
Static means it doesn't change. You can't create your own profiles. Your pictures cannot be changed. Everything is fixed. What was that? Easy. Peasy. Lemon juicy. I think it's no. So it's pretty. Yeah, it's blood. You got that right. What about this?
I didn't know what blob
fire
was,
is
so I
blood.
just pressed that.
Wow. Well, we learned. Okay, so it's a good revision. Which one? What was that? Which one below is not a dynamic?
What does dynamic mean?
Dynamic means you can change your pictures, your profile stuff. Yeah, but be careful. It says not a dynamic. So they're asking about a static one.
Yay!
Beyond
I got
Academy.
it. I did it. I got it.
Cool.
It was obvious.
It is. We've searched. We've logged into the website, right? We browsed it. So who's leading now? Team Ocean.
That's me.
Team Fire. Otto. What's happening? So what's that? Flask. We just discussed. Oh, the early bird got the information. What's a flask? It's for, why are we using
It's
it?
not
Because we
here.
are doing
I
web
accidentally
application
pressed
development.
something. I got good with correct it now because I didn't read the questions.
Okay. I can't touch it. Why is that? Oh, timeout.
What? I didn't even read the question.
Oh, there's a timer. You need to
I
be
got
fast.
corrected. I didn't even read.
Now let's see who's leading. Oceans
Me.
leading.
Me.
What happened to Otto? Are you stuck somewhere? You did only one question. You can try again. Which one of the following is correct about HTML? HTML is the front end and hypertext markup language.
I
not
think I
tags.
pressed something wrong.
Yeah, the blue one is incorrect. Tells the browser how to display the content. Yes, that's what we learned. We have created
no,
some
I got-
HTML using tags. Okay. That's hard, isn't it? So how many more questions? Let's see. Oh, who's on the podium?
No one.
No one's in the podium. Oh, there's number
Oh.
2, Fire. Number 1. Good job, Janice and Fire. Sorry, Mr. Team Fire. You gotta try it again. You can try again. Okay. So how do you try again? Let's play again button, right? So you can try and beat Janice. Okay, that's a good quiz. A tough one, isn't it? All right, so we did that. Yeah, so we're gonna deep dive into some HTML tags today. The language which is used to beautify websites, or make it beautiful and colorful. Yeah, if it is colorful, it's beautiful sometimes. Yeah. All right, here we go. So it's about HTML today. Okay. So we have already learned a bit of HTML. I mentioned about these tags. Yeah, we did learn about, do you remember the tags we learned in the last class? HTML tags we learned the headings, right? Heading 1 through 6, did we? Let's do a recap. Okay, so we can do the recap with the tasks, I think. Let's see. No, we first go through. Okay. So let's see these tags and what they do. You don't need this. Code is done. Oops. Done, and I want to open the slides to see. So many codes. Go to my drive. Oh, I'm already on the drive. Sorry about that. Let's see. It's me. Ah, it's here. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's the fourth one. Okay. Today's episode 4. Let's see what we got in store. We did this, and yeah, we learned about the HTML, and I mentioned that HTML has tags, right? What is a tag? There's one here. So we got, oh, sorry. We got, how many tags we have here? Can someone tell me? Yes, Janice, how many tags we have here? The black area, the box, the rectangle. 4, 2. Who said 2?
Me, Otto.
Okay. All right. Otto says 2. Janice, what's your answer? How many tags? Yes. I need to get the tools. Okay. Yeah. So we have the tags in pairs, right? the question should be asked how many pairs. We have 2 pairs, right? So we got the body tag, you can see on top, open, and then one with the slash inside is the close tag, right? So within open and close, you can write anything, and that will be part of the body tag if it is inside the open and close tags, right? Okay, now we have the other tag, which is the paragraph P, where you can write so many text. Yeah, you can add any paragraph into this. This is just one line. What's up, doc? Who says that? Do you guys know? Who says that? Who's that? Bugs Bunny. Yeah. So Bugs Bunny is asking what's up, doc? And it's a paragraph, and you can add some more lines into this, right? So it's within the body tag. Okay. All right. So we got 2 tags. 2 tags. Yes. Auto is correct. We got pairs, right? 2 pairs. Okay. How many tags are here? Anyone?
Oh,
Pardon?
4. Here's Otto. What's your answer?
5.
5. Why? Okay, let's count. We got H1, right? Open, and there's the close at the end. We got H2, open and close. H3, open and close. And then we got some dots. That means some things are missing. And we got H6, which is the last one. So we have here 4 pairs of HTML tags, which are called the heading tags. The biggest one is which one? H1 or H6? Biggest one, heading 1 or heading 6?
Heading 1.
Janice, heading 1. Good job. All right. Oh, what's that? Okay. So here's the paragraph. We learned about it. Okay, we'll apply this knowledge. And here is the program we wrote. Remember, we have 2. How many? Okay, question. How many web pages in this website? How many pages we have here?
2.
2. Why is it 2, Janice? His answer is correct. Yes, Otto's answer is correct. We got 2 here. And they both will display the same message. Hello world. We did it differently. I split it into different messages. So here we got 2 pages. One is the home page, and the other one is the main page, okay, which loads when you open the website. Okay. Kahoot, we did this. We are going to do the revision. Okay. And then we'll jump into this. Okay, let's do the revision. REPL it. Did you guys try it? No, we didn't. Did I give you homework? I did. Remember? Okay, but we're gonna do it today. It's not homework. So this is web session 4 revision. Let's try to find it on Replit. So how do we go to find it, Janice? We need to click right here. Okay. And then Teams. Oops. And then Beyond Code Academy. Let's see. What was it? What was it called? Forgot the name. Web session for revision. Let's see if we can find it.
session.
Did you find it, Janice?
No.
Session 4. I think it's this one. It doesn't have the same name.
Yes,
Let's try that.
okay.
Yeah, okay.
Found it.
Otto, are you there?
Yes, I'm
This
here.
is the one, okay. Let's see. So you got your own REPL. I got my own. And we can do anything here. Okay, let's see what it asks us to do. Instructions. Okay, that's not what we want. Here, the main.py. Let's see what we got in this template folder. We got an index.html file, okay. And you can switch, right? I'm going back to the main.py. Okay, I don't see a question, but I think they're asking us to try. Let's see. We've already done that, so you don't have to worry about the recap we've already discussed, right? Yeah, so you can create a new, if you want, let's give it a shot. So how do I create a new page? Let's ask a few questions now. Now we already have a page here, right? Which is, let's run this program. We already have a page. Can someone give me the name of that page by looking at the code? If we'll open a web page, I'll give you a hint. Yes, okay, yeah, you came close. But now in this program, it will open a page that is in this folder. You can see it here, called templates. Yeah, you can open that folder and then you'll see index.html, right? You see the same name here as well, line number 9. So what do you think is going to happen? It will open this index.html page. Okay, let's see if it's going to work. I'll run the program. So whatever that's in the HTML page will be exposed. Okay, let's see. I'm curious. Nothing, is it? Blank. Do you see that? Oh, we got to do something. So this HTML page is blank. Is that the same thing you guys got when you run? Is it, Otto? You got a blank page, blank website. Nobody likes a blank website, right? So we're gonna beautify it using HTML.
I also got a blank website.
Blank, that's useless, right? So we're gonna beautify. How do you do that? We go into the file, right? We're going into this index.html. Can we click on that? Just tap or open. Let's see what's in that. Oh, we got some stuff. Okay, but it didn't display anything. I think because you can see if something is green. Remember, we learned this technique in Python. We add a hashtag to the front. What happens, Janice? It will be ignored by the program compiler, right? So it will not be displayed. I think we got the same situation here, is it? No, it's a bit different. We got comments. So you can see all these green ones are comments. They're not part of the program. So I'm going to do the program.
But mine's aren't green.
Yours gray. You didn't change the colors, dark mode. You can go here.
No, because my dad doesn't allow dark mode.
Oh, really? Okay.
But
Okay.
I use dark mode on my phone.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, dark mode's cool, right? It's easy on the eyes. All right, I'm going to do the first task. Let's try. Use the H1 to put the title of the page as my plan after COVID. All right, so the green is a comment. So how do you do this? I'm going to use the keypad, open bracket. It gives you some tips. Can we try together? Yeah.
Okay.
So what's the tag we need to use? H. When I press H, you can see it lists down all the possible tags starting with letter H. So we got up to 6. I'm going to say H1. Here's the trick. Now you have a key called tab in your keyboard, right? We used this before. Tab key. Have you guys seen it?
Yeah.
On the left-hand side, I think, or top. Yeah, let me make your life easier. Let's hit that tab. See what happens. Sometimes it can help us, but I don't think it didn't help. Normally, in most of the text editors, when you hit the tab after typing the first few lines, this doesn't help. It will auto complete. Okay, so unfortunately, this will. Yeah, okay. Now we need to close it to auto complete. It's a different tactic here. Okay, technique. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in between this tag, you can see. Let me zoom it. I'll use the iPad. It's easy. Okay, so here in the middle, what you have to type? My plan after COVID. Okay, let's type it. My simply plan. Cool. You can have spaces. It doesn't do any harm. I had a space. Let's see if it's gonna work. I need a space here. Okay. Okay, now let's try our luck. Now you guys typed it. So it should have a big heading when you run the program. Now something should happen. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Massive heading on the top.
I got it.
You got it, right? Okay, let's try the other headings as well. Now it says H2. I'm gonna do the same thing. Go inside. Open H2. Tab didn't work, so I have to close. Okay. Where I want to go. Okay, let's try that. It should work. Let's try this as well. H3, the small one. Select using the arrow keys. The tab doesn't work. Okay. Use the paragraph. Oh,
Wait,
this
I
is
have
not
to
H3.
finish
My
writing
bad.
where I want to go.
So this time it's not H3. What? I saw it like it's 3 because it says task 3. So I need to change the tag, right? Which tag are we going to use here? Paragraph, P for paragraph. So P, close. I get the closing tag for free. What are you going to say here? Country where you would want to visit. What's your favorite country, Janice?
My favorite country. Vatican City.
Wow, that's like the
New York
smallest
City?
country in the world. Okay, New York's bigger. It's a city actually. Okay, and what about you, Otto?
My favorite country,
Mexican City?
Tokyo.
Tokyo, Japan. Yeah, it's ask about a country. Okay, so you write about Japan. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna write about Sri Lanka. Let's see if I can Google. Let's see. I'm gonna Google. No, you're not. Country profile. Oh, here we go. Got some stuff from the UN. Oh, that's quite a lot. Yeah, I'll take. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let's see what BBC is saying. So you can copy. Yeah, I will copy all these. It says about the war. No, nice start. Yeah, so let's see how many. We can give a lot of information. Not this one. Let's see. Attractions.
I do a different country.
Yeah, you can choose your own. Oh, there you go. I got top attractions here. We're gonna do a website anyway. I'm gonna copy this from it here. Copy. Like this place, 9 Arch Bridge, and go back to my web coding. Where is that? It's here. Yeah. So in a paragraph, you can just add lots of lines like this. Ooh, that's quite a lot. Okay. So everything is within the paragraph tag. And I'll teach you something cool as well. So here, what we're gonna do, let's run and see if it's gonna give us what we wanted. That's the purpose of a paragraph. You don't use the other tags like heading for that because it's gonna be a lot of text. Oh, now I got a boring website. It says my plan after COVID, where I wanna go. That's heading 2, right? Yes. Sri Lanka is truly spellbinding. Okay. Yeah. So you see a problem here, right? What's the problem? Auto. What's the problem here? Everything is cluttered, right? Everything is like, it's kind of, how do you say, no breaks. But here, when I copied, I have a break in line number 18. Yeah, I'm gonna make this break and try again. Oh, it didn't help, right? It just like same. Okay, so how do you get a break? How do you get a space between the paragraphs? You guys think about it. Yes? Anyone? Yeah, for that we have a tag which is called BR. BR. Can you guess what it stands for? Okay, here's something funny about this tag. This tag acts alone. It doesn't need a close tag. Okay, I mentioned that all the tags have open and close, right? H2 open, H2 close. Here the break doesn't need a close. It will just work as break. Let's try again. Now you can see the break now, right? So there are several, it says there are several highly religious sites. That's this part. Here, after the break tag. So if you're gonna put a break, just use the BR or the break tag, remember. You can put it anywhere. I need another break here. So I'm gonna put another break here. Okay. BR. Stop and run.
I accidentally closed the. I accidentally closed the whole entire thing.
You had to delete. So you know that Control Z or Control Z works.
No,
You can undo.
No, I mean like.
Not an accident. Okay. Okay.
No,
worries.
actually, I closed the window.
Oh, so you open it back, and I want you guys to share. I'm gonna create a cool website right now. I'm gonna share with you guys.
Wait,
so you need to,
let me go to
yeah.
the revision.
Okay. Yeah, we'll wait for Janice.
Spain.
Okay. So let's see what. So we need this.
I should go to my history. That's
No, we need to have a small break. Remember, we need to take our eyes off the computer. It's not good to stare at the computer for a long time. This is the break time. Yeah. All right. So 5 minutes, and I will display this on screen so you guys can try. And you guys can try different tags like H3, H4 if you want. You can add an H3, but it doesn't say it in the tasks. That's fine. So we'll have a short break, like 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. And try task 4 if you can. Okay, guys, so start again. We have all right, created the basic web page. We got more tags in store for us. Let's see what they are. Okay, so we use the H1, we use the paragraph, and there is one important tag called the div tag. Are you guys there? Let's see.
Yes, I'm still
Oh,
here.
Janice is here. What about Mr. Otto? Is he fallen asleep? Wake
Hello.
up. Oh,
No.
yeah, all right. Okay, let's see. You guys can see my screen, right? No,
No.
cannot. All right, let me share again. Okay, can you see the screen now? Yes?
Yes. Okay.
All right, cool. Yeah, okay, now we need to divide our web page, right? You can see these pages, they're divided. For example, this web page has got divisions. One is, I think, this segment, which talks about 9 Arch Bridge, the famous attractions in Sri Lanka. And this is another one, another division. So why do you have to create divisions? Because we can divide a web page and we can put different content into it, right? Something like this. So we got like 3 different segments in this website. Okay. No, it's not 3.
I went to Wikipedia.
So many. How many divisions? You got a lot. Okay, we don't know actually. They should have used the div tag. Okay, let's see. So what I'm gonna do.
Wikipedia. I just went to
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
Of
And then
what?
it told me all about the country.
All the countries. Now you need to pick one country, Janice.
I
You
know
can't
all
write
about
all-
the country that I chose.
Which country is that?
I chose Spain.
Spain. They
Because you
play
get to
football.
throw tomatoes.
Do they grow tomatoes? All right.
No,
I
you
didn't
get
know
to throw them at people. On the
In
day
Spain?
that you, yeah.
Why do they do that?
Uh,
I thought they grow tomatoes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now we're gonna create a division. Okay.
Spain Tomato Festival. It's called La Tomatina in
That's the
Spanish.
name of the game. I think it's a game. So
No,
you
it's
need to
not a
avoid
game. It's a it's
Festival.
an event on Wednesday, August
Mhm,
31.
Okay, so let's focus on the div tag, guys. Now the div tag, you can have a div tag without an ID, but we use this ID, which is called as an attribute. Okay, so inside the tag, you can put some stuff, okay, for identification purposes and for other purposes as well. So here, what they have used is an attribute. We call it as an attribute, which is to be set inside the opening tag. We're going to use that later. Okay, it's called an ID. All right. And here you can give any name that you like for the ID, any meaningful name. Okay, you can just give a name for, let's say, this section. You can call it Galvihare as number 12. This one you can call it Una Watuna or whatever the identification detail. Okay, on attribute you can assign. Okay. Attributes, there are the elements, as I've explained. You can have any number of attributes within the open tag, okay? All right, so here are some more tags, cool ones, yes. So Where is the attribute? Let's ask a few questions. Now, where is the attribute? Start with the third one, this one. Can someone give me the attribute of the tag P? What is it? Janice?
Style.
Style. Okay, good. And what about Otto? Did you see anything? Any attributes? You haven't learned the image tag. We're gonna do it today. And there's ahref for hyperlinks. Okay, let's start with this P tag. I'm gonna go back to my website. Where is it? It's here, right? So I got paragraphs, right? How many paragraphs I've got here? I don't know how many you got. I got a lot. I got 2, actually, not a lot. So there is 1 here. Okay. No, I got only 1, actually. That's the closing tag, right? This is my only paragraph from here to here, right? Okay, now I'm going to add that attribute. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go inside the paragraph tag. I have only 1, fortunately. Oh, sorry. Okay, so how do I go inside? So selected. Okay, now I'm going to carefully zoom it and go inside the tag. Can we all do that together? Here we go. Oh, I'm in. So I'm going to make a space, hit the space bar. Okay. Oh, keyboard stuck. All right, here we go. It's working. So what's that attribute? It's called style. You'll learn it. S-T-Y-L-E. I can add that in the tab. It worked. How do you do this style? We need to apply a color. You can use a style. Let's see again. How does it say? Style? Color,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so within brackets, so within quotes, you need to say color. I'm going to say the same thing. Okay, style equals within quotes. Okay, color, C-O-L-O-R, not the British spellings, American. Okay, and then we put, what is that? A colon. And you can give a cool color. I'm going to say blue. Not all the colors are available. Some of them, blue, I'm pretty sure should be there. Can you guys try?
I am doing it now.
Okay,
Oh,
see what
question
happens.
mark.
So I'm
Yeah.
doing this in the open tag, okay? Not the one with the slash, the first one. All right, Otto, did you get this? Did you get a color?
Blue.
Okay, now I'm gonna run again. Let's see. Oh, nice, cool. I got a cool blue color on my text.
Wait, I think
Because
I did it wrong. Wait, let me just put.
yeah, you can see it. So if you want to apply the color for H1, you can do the attribute style within quotes color colon. Let's choose a color, red.
Wait, teacher, let me see. Let me see if because it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Yeah, for me. Style.
Okay, have you tried it in the paragraph P? S-T-Y-L-E, no spelling mistakes, okay? And it should be in light blue in my case. It should be different in your case. So it's an attribute. It has a color-coded attribute. In this case, it's have space. No. The style tag, which is applying blue color. Okay. Did it work for you, Atom? Hello.
Yes, it worked.
Okay. Janice, did it work now? Maybe you have a typo here.
No, it still didn't work.
Is are you sure? Oh. Okay. Can you share the screen? Let's see if I have enabled that one. Let's see. Okay, I'll give you the code. All right, let's see. Maybe you have a typo. I can share this in the copy and paste it in the chat. You can try it.
That means that you are using an iPad. That shows that you are
Yeah.
using it.
It is. All right. So that's why I'm having a bit of hard time, but I think I will get used to it. Okay. So can you try that
Okay.
in your paragraph? It should work. You can do the same thing for H1. If you want to apply a color, go here. Oops, where's my space? Oh, I need to type it anytime. Style. Okay. And equals sign, double quotes, color, American, and you can say red. Let's see if that works.
Oh.
It works. Yeah, so that's a bit of beautifying. Yeah, still look boring.
Teacher,
Okay.
still didn't work.
Really, what's happening? Can you refresh your page? Can you reload?
Okay.
Let's see what's happening with your REPL. Are you typing it in the right place? It's in index.html file, right?
Yep.
Inside the templates.
Yeah.
Did you copy and paste the code that I give you? My number
Yes.
16 in my case, I copy that.
I did a cup.
Okay. How is it now? All right. So while she's trying to fix the problem, let's go and see what's happening here. Need to refresh. Now, because it's zoomed. All right. So we learned about how to find out an attribute. So we can do a lot of things using the attributes. Yeah. So bold. Okay, you guys know how to boldface text. You can do it in Microsoft Word, right? So you press Control B or Command B by selecting the text. Here it's different. We are using tags for everything. So what do you think is the name of the tag, guys? To boldface something? Can we try that? Yeah, I'm gonna try this, okay? Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna go back to my coding. We'll try it here. Which one you want to boldface, Mr. Otto? Let me boldface this part. It says Sri Lanka, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I need that to be within the B tag or bold tag. Janice, are you watching?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do that. So open, sorry, B. We can see the tag and then close. All right, now what you have to do is to cut this part, cut, and put it in between the bold tag. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yes, it's bold and blue. You know why it's blue, right? Because it's paragraph, it's within the paragraph. And it's blue, sorry, it's bold because I applied the B tag. Can you guys do the same thing? You can boldface anything. Any word in your paragraph. Janice, how is your progress?
I am still trying to fix
Still
the
trying. You get, what's the error you get? What's the error you have on your screen?
Mm,
I'll let you share the screen in a while. All right, we can see. Do you know how to share the screen, Janice?
I know how.
All right, let me unshare. Can you try to share? I think it's allowed. Let me see it in the settings. Can you share?
No, because
It-
you
it's-
disable participant share.
All right, let me enable it for a while. Can you try now?
No.
Doesn't work. Or maybe I have the privileges here to adjust it. Oh, no, I know it. It's Kate's. Yeah, all right, found it. Okay, can you do it now? Can you share and show us what's going on? And even Otto can have a look at Janice's screen and see if you can figure out or help us to fix the problem. Can you share now? Okay, here we go. All right, so let's see. Oh, I know the problem, Janice. Line number 18, okay. At the beginning, you have the P tag, right?
Okay.
Can you delete that? Yeah, delete that P tag because you have two P tags now. Oh, now you have only one P tag open, line number 17, right? Let's scroll a little bit down. Oh, where is your, oh, you got the closing P tag, right? Oh, that's another problem. What's the problem, Otto? Can we fix the problem here? The closing tag should have a slash.
Oh, yes.
Yes, can you put the slash in front of, yes. Now can we run the program? Now your content is within the P tag. Cool, here we go, it worked, blue, good job. All right, now let's go back to settings. Yeah, you can close your share. Okay, we learned something, right? So open tag, within the open tag, you have to type the code or the attribute, okay? And there should be a closing tag for each and every open tag. Good job. So now let's share this, share my screen. My turn. Okay, you guys can see my screen, right? Yeah, all right. So I use that tag called B tag. You can see the same thing for my main top, not a main topic. It's actually something that I wanted to be bold. So this tag you can apply B open and B close. You can see this is in blue and bold because I applied the blue color for the paragraph. Okay, now let's move on and EM. Okay, we had a tag called italic. You know what italic means? Like
Yep.
yeah, you can see it italicized. Oh, it's like what's that? One of the wonders of the world in Italy, the tower, not Eiffel, Pizza. So that's why it's italic. It's called italic, I suppose. All right, let's try to italicize. I want to italicize something. Let's say, what do you have to italicize here? Top tourist attractions. Yeah, I'm gonna try that, this part. Okay, so you need to put the I tag wherever you want to italicize. So where's the top tourist attractions, Janice? It's here, right? Yeah, so I'm going to type the I tag, I, okay, and when I put the closing thingy, you can see in the middle, There's nothing, right? So I need to copy or cut top tourist part and attractions. Okay, cut and put it in the middle of this open and close tag pair. Let's paste. Have you guys done that? Okay, let's refresh or start program again. Oh, I see that little bit. Yeah, you can see top tourist attractions. It's slanted. Okay, that's working. So that's how you italicize. Oh, it's italic back in the past. Now you can use this tag called EM for emphasize, as I remember. Yeah, it's emphasis. Okay. All right, so it'll do the same thing. So I'm going to delete I. Okay. And put EM. EM. Okay, now I had to do the same thing again. Delete. Cut this all the way down to attractions. Cut and paste it within or in between the tag, otherwise it will not work. Let's see if I get the same output. Yeah, top tourist attractions italicized. Okay. Okay, I need to put a break here. Can someone help me how to do that? Yeah, if you want to break it, what's the tag name?
BR.
BR, cool. You can have many BR tags. Oh, not bold. This is the wrong tag, BR. And what's so special about the BR tag? It doesn't need to have a close tag. Yeah. So now this line will be broken. Let's see into the next line. Good. And it looks better when you have spaces in the paragraphs. And how is your progress, Janice? Is it working? EM? Emphasize? Did you italicize it? Like mine. I don't
want to.
You don't want it to. Yeah, but you can try. You have
I
to
don't
learn
want
these tags.
to.
Okay. So let's see. What's the next one? Strong. That will make you strong. Strong is the same as bold. Okay. Yeah. So wherever you put the bold, you can put the strong. Okay. Just give me a moment. Can you do that? I'll let you try it out. Okay. All right. Did it work?
I didn't do
Bold.
it yet.
You didn't do it. So here I'm going to delete the B and call it bold. B-O-L-D. Yeah, I'm sorry, strong, my bad. Strong, and I need to have the closing tag. Let's close it. Oh, question mark, nope. Yeah, now it's strong, right? Let's see how strong that is. It's the same, yeah, same as bold. So there is no change. Okay, have you guys tried that?
Let me try. I'm trying.
Okay,
Ah, it worked.
it works. Okay, cool. So you can apply this color tag anywhere. Try to use the colors that you know, and like the basic colors. I'll teach you how to do the advanced colors and stuff. And here is the bold styling. Okay, what's this? Now we learned this break before these guys have shown to us. Okay, break tag is done, line breaks. And now we got a task in REPL, task 4.1. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah. Oh, that's quite a lot to be done. Okay, let's see if I can. Finish some more tags, okay, before we do that task. All right, so one of the other tags that you'll have to learn is the list. Yeah, so let's focus on that. You know what is a list?
Yes.
We have a list here. What is a list? A list of items, right?
A shopping list.
Yeah, so how do you create? There are two types of lists. One is called as the ordered list, okay? Order means you have a number. You can see there is one list which has only squares and the other one has 1, 2, 3. So one which has the squares is called as unordered list.
Circle.
And which has the numbers 1, 2, 3 is ordered. Okay, let's see how we can achieve this. Okay, so we can create an unordered list. Okay, I'm going to do it in the same. Where are we going to start? Yeah, before task 4, I'm going to open the tag. Remember the name for unordered UL. Okay, it says unordered list. Okay, so within this tag, we need to have another element called li, stands for list. Okay, so my first list item or list item li, let's call it just give me a second. Open the door. All right, so let's add some fruit, mango. Okay, and let's add another one, another list item, banana. And let's add, oh, I missed the I. And let's add another one. Let's add coconut. All right, so let's see how it looks like. And I've added 3 items in the unordered list. Now run the program again. Do you see my, yes, yeah, I see the mangoes, bananas, and coconuts, right? You guys can try the same. It's actually unordered because I use UL. Okay.
Teacher.
Yeah.
But this has nothing to do with the topic
Which topic?
where I want to go.
Oh, yeah.
What my
Now we got
where I want to go.
coconuts, bananas, and everything in Sri Lanka. You can add the title on top. Famous
Yeah, but
fruits.
you should write, this is what I want to buy.
Oh, yeah. So I need to add the topic, right? Like a heading. Let's say, let's add that. What should be the heading size? Because I have heading 2 and 1. Let's call it heading 3, H3. And let's say famous Sri Lankan fruit.
Coconut is a fruit.
Ah, it is not right. So we need to change that. Let's change this to
Strawberry.
yeah. Oh, apple. We don't have apple in Sri Lanka. Okay, let's say, what do you have there?
Strawberry.
We don't have, I don't know if we have strawberry. Maybe, yeah. Yeah. And spelling, there's W on this. W. Okay. Yeah, so now it's complete.
This is
isn't
the
it?
world's coolest
Mhm.
pencil holder. Look at this.
Now you need to share your website with us, Janice. We got 4 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna create an unordered list as well. Maybe in the next class
I
you
didn't
should be
create
able to.
this yet because I don't think there's a point.
Yes, that's a good point. All right, now I'm going to use OL and let's see the difference. I'm going to
Why
close
do
it
we need to create a list?
because
That's why I
in
didn't create
websites,
a list.
yeah, in websites they use lists. Okay, so it's the same thing.
Yeah,
Ordered
but not
list.
list of fruit. And you spelled fruits wrong.
Yeah, this time we're gonna use fruit. Unfortunately,
You
okay.
spelled fruit wrong.
Fruits. F-R-U. Did I? Let's see.
Yes, look.
You figured that out. I'm always looking for the mistakes. Let's see. F-R-U-I-T-S. Good job. And now we gonna have
And you also spelled Sri Lanka wrong.
Sri Lankan. It's correct. It's correct.
No,
Lankan.
no, it's the, you put an N at the end.
Oh, that's fine. Lankan is the nationality. Yeah, that's fine. You can't say famous Sri Lanka fruit. Or you can say famous food in Sri Lanka. Oh, okay. That's fine anyway. Let's go for the ordered stuff. Let's say some attractions. What was the name? Okay, number 1, I want it to be, I know these names, okay? Yes, okay. Number 1 attraction, what is it? 9 Arch Bridge.
Wow, look at that.
What happened?
You did it wrong.
9 Arch Bridge.
There's no, what is this about?
It's a bridge
But
with
there's
9
no
arches.
heading.
Oh, we're gonna add the heading later. Don't worry. So I'm gonna just teach you about this
How
tag
are they
first.
supposed to know what this thing is?
We'll have the heading on top, okay? And what's the next one? See Giria. You need to complete the website. You don't have time. And then LI. Number 3, what's my favorite number 3 attraction in Sri Lanka? Beach. I forgot. Yeah, all right. So let's call Unawatuna. All right. Okay. Let's see how that works. And we got a cool website. Not very cool, to be honest. We have to do a lot of work to make it look cool. Oh, you can see that? And I can see the difference between the list, famous Sri Lankan fruits. And then as Janice suggested, I need to add a heading here. We got 1 minute. Okay, let's
That's
add.
because no one knows what you're talking about.
Let's see, H2, good suggestion.
At this point,
Jeff.
they're just confused.
Okay, so what should be the topic here to make them clear about what we're talking? You can say my top 3 attractions in Sri Lanka.
Teacher.
Time's up.
Teacher, I made my own pencil holder.
Pencil holder, how do you do it?
And it's so cool.
Did you use coding for that?
I use magnets. The
All right,
coolest
okay.
pencil holder ever. Because it's flying.
We can have a look. I mean, maybe in the next class in the beginning. All right, guys, this time. It's 2:30. All right, so we'll come back and continue.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. See you.
See you. Bye-bye.